Before we start our lesson for today, let us stand and John kindly lead us to prayer. Amen. Thank you, John. Before you take your seat, kindly arrange your chairs. Okay, that's good. You can now take your seats. For our checking of attendance, kindly raise your hand if your name is called. Ezra, Noel, Jonah, Enzo. Okay, I guess we don't have absent for today. So clap your hands everyone, that's a good job. So, are you guys ready for our lesson? Okay, good to hear. So now, kindly look at these pictures, students, and tell me what you observe and what you see. So Noel, kindly tell us what you observe. Okay, that's correct. So what you did not notice to this picture, guys? Okay, very well. That's good. For now, I will divide you into two groups and I will give pictures in each group. And after 3 minutes, in each group will share to the class what they observed in the pictures they received. Okay? So, here are the pictures. Group 1 and Group 2. Alright, Group 1, can you share your thoughts in your classmates? Okay, that's good observation. So now let's proceed to Group 2. That's great. Everyone, let's give a round of applause for Group 1 and Group 2. Okay, let's move on to our topic for today. The topic we have to tackle today is the object in the sky in daytime and nighttime. So students, why we can only see the sun in daytime? The sun is visible during the daytime because the earth rotates on its axis, causing different parts of the planet to face the sun at different times. When your location on earth is facing the sun, you experience daytime. When it faces away from the sun, it is nighttime. This continuous rotation results in the regular cycle of day and night. Yes, our globe is rotating, but not us. So next is, why we only see moon in nighttime? Here's the reason, students. The moon is visible at nighttime because it reflects sunlight, and during its orbit, it often appears in sky when the part of the earth you are in is darkness. The contrast between the dark night sky and illuminated moon makes the moon clearly visible to us. Yes, that was the idea, students. But that's another topic, so let's move on to that. So now students, let me show you some pictures and tell me when it is daytime or nighttime. Okay? Okay, what's this? Very good. It is daytime. Another. This one. Very good. It is also daytime. Very good. So, just remember student that if you struggle to guess when it is daytime or nighttime, just look at the clock in your house or in your phone for exact reference. So, do you understand our lesson today? A4 sheet of paper and list down the object you see in the sky when it's daytime and nighttime. So after 10 minutes, you can pass your paper in front. Okay, it is almost 10 minutes. You can pass your paper in front. Finish or not finish.